Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the time capsule and connecting its WAN port to your modem. This gives it internet immediately. Once powered, open Airport Utility on your Mac or iOS device so you can see the base station. You check firmware and device OS because mismatches block features. Update now if needed. Make sure to note current network names and passwords to avoid conflicts. Then follow the detected base station prompts. Choose Create or Replace based on whether you want a fresh network versus integrating into an existing setup. Now you configure the network. Pick an SSID and set WPA2 or WPA3 security with a strong password because encryption protects your devices. Next, decide DHCP or bridge mode. Use bridge mode if another router already hands out IPs. Otherwise, enable DHCP to let the time capsule act as router. Then enable disk sharing for Time Machine, set a disk password, and create any user accounts for access. Once these settings are applied, the unit will restart. Wait until Airport Utility shows a green. Finish by confirming internet access on multiple devices and forcing a Time Machine test backup so you verify disk visibility and permissions. If clients can't connect, open Airport Utility and run the diagnostics. The LED color and diagnostic messages reveal failures, firmware, IP conflicts, or disk errors. If problems persist, perform a soft restart first, then a factory reset if necessary by holding the reset button 5 to 10 seconds. Remember to reapply your custom network and disk settings afterward to restore proper backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.